In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Meet not working. Start by signing in with your Google account and joining the meeting. Even if things aren't working perfectly, being inside the meeting window helps surface useful prompts and error messages, and it lets us access the built-in tools we'll use later. Next, let's quickly diagnose the common culprits. Begin with your internet connection. Make sure Wi-Fi or Ethernet is connected and stable by loading a few other sites. If other pages are slow or failing, that points to a connection issue you'll want to address before anything else. Check that your browser is up to date. In most browsers, you can open the menu and look for an About section that automatically checks for updates. Install any available updates and relaunch the browser so Meet gets the latest fixes and the performance improvements. Clear your cache and cookies. Head to your browser's privacy settings and clear cached images and cookies for recent data. This helps remove stale files that can break sign-ins or block media permissions, and it often resolves odd loading behavior. Temporarily disable extensions. Try an incognito or private window where most extensions are off by default, or toggle off anything that interacts with audio, video, privacy, or content blocking. Extensions can interfere with camera, microphone, or the Meet site itself. Verify device permissions for your camera and microphone. In the browser's address bar, click the site information or lock icon and make sure camera and microphone are allowed. Inside the Meet window, open settings and confirm the correct camera and the mic are selected, especially if you have multiple devices connected. If the problem persists, use Google Meet's built-in diagnostics. On the call toolbar, click the three dots labeled More Options, then choose Troubleshooting and Help. This panel gives real-time insights into what's going on. Scroll down to the Network section to view your latency. Latency is measured in milliseconds. Lower is better. If you see abrupt spikes or consistently high latency, it's a strong sign the issue is with your network rather than your device or browser. If latency looks fine, review the system performance indicators shown there, especially CPU usage. When your processor is heavily loaded, Meet can stutter, desync audio, or drop your connection. Close extra tabs or background applications, particularly those using video, screen recording, or virtual cameras, to free up resources and stabilize the call. By working through these checks, then using Meet's troubleshooting and help panel to pinpoint latency and CPU load, you can quickly identify the root cause and get Google Meet running smoothly again.